the evolution that we are seeing is if data quality was a part of the consumption layer in the analytics stack, it was a feature. And what you now indeed see is that data quality is shifting left. It's a movement. If it shifts left, that means it is shifting into the middleware, in between the storage and the consumption. And indeed, that is an evolution we're seeing, because if indeed every tool, every analytics application, every platform will tackle data quality in itself, you end up in chaos, right? Because what companies want is one single version of the truth, and that is only happening when you check data quality somewhere as a central element in your analytics equation. And that is indeed why it's shifting from the consumption side into the middleware as a full-blown building block. And that's why I'm calling it the trust layer, because that's exactly what it is. If data quality sits in the trust layer, it means every party or every tool downstream from us, for example, has the guarantee that data is checked for reliability, cleaned, validated, and that means that you have a sort of an SLA, a service level agreement, where you know when I pick up data, it's checked by times here. It should be reliable because it's verified for trust. And that is indeed why we always say we sit in the trust layer.